another thing to think about in the off season then too would be AutoPath from rows. With your corn planter, right? So adding an implement receiver to your planter, you can then record where those corn rows are. And so that way when you pull into the field with the combine, there's no more counting rows. You know exactly where everything is, and you can have your guidance lines for corn harvest as well. You're gonna be okay not having driven boundaries. You can still take advantage of the latest tech. And actually, you can create AutoPath plans from whatever active boundary you have. And so you can utilize the bulk boundary creator from your previous application or past data to create a boundary, and from there you can also create an AutoPath plan from boundary to utilize in your harvest operation. And so you'll do that through Land and Operations Center, where you can go in and create those guidance lines.
That'll be really nice. Just another thing that we don't have to think about when we get to the field, setting all that up. And so will that be like Work Planner where you just drive in and then your AutoPath will be right there?
Yep, absolutely, right? So as you create some of your harvest work plans, you can attach those AutoPath guidance lines to that work plan. And so then as the combine recognizes the fields you're pulling into, you just confirm it, your guidance lines will populate, including the headlands, and you're off to the races.